Hello and welcome back to the NoStressTrader platform. This is how to turn small money into something big. I'm going to walk you through the steps. So let's head on to the NoStressTrader platform. And right here, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow a small account. Be it a $10 account, be it a $10 account, a $20 account, a 30 or 40 or 50 or even a $3 account. It's very, very possible to grow that account using our AI robots. So I'm going to show you exactly what you do. Firstly, you know that you have to select the market. Let's say you've selected your market based on your analysis. And secondly, you've chosen AI Robot 3 as I always expect you guys to do. And thirdly, you've chosen accurate mode, right? Now, to grow a small account, you come here for the initial size, play along, use 0.05, okay? And they say your account is $10 and you are targeting $1, okay? Okay, your target is $1 and your risk is $2. You get, because we are still using number of loss in a sequence. That's what we're still using here. So if you put it that if the robot takes 10 trades in a sequence and loses all the 10 trades you're going to lose just $2.13 off your account, which therefore means you can do this 5 times before your account goes down to 0. And now, with these settings, with this particular setting, it's difficult for you to have your account go down to 0 because the robots are very, very profitable in as much as you select the right condition of the market, which is, I highly recommend that you choose a trending market. If you don't know what a trending market is, we're going to be explaining these in other strategies in the next series, okay? So make sure you're always back here on the platform to always make sure you get updated and educated on exactly how you should use our robots profitably. So remember that you have to start small, increase your risks gradually as your account grows. Guys, never you rush to grow. Growth with a robot is consistent. Don't come in with trade, don't come to be a flipper. Use the right risk management as I'm explaining to you guys right here. Everything here remains the same. AI Robot 3, accurate mode, risk management conservative, and you do the settings just like so, and you're going to see how profitable the robot is going to be for you. In the next series, I'm going to be explaining the mistakes you should avoid when using our AI robots. If you did find this video very helpful, very interesting, please smash the subscribe button and make sure you like and turn on the notification bell so that I don't miss out on the next series. Thank you and see you in the next series.